Imagine a vacation-style student home at the heart of Birmingham. Step into Lumen Above Railroad Park and experience this dream come true. These elegant 1 to 4 bedroom apartments are decked with luxurious hardwood floors, in-unit energy-efficient laundry for breezy chore days, and a private bathroom for uninterrupted musical concerts. Whip up deliciousness in the fully equipped kitchen straight out of a chef's dream. Crush workout goals at the state-of-the-art fitness centre. The social events are your source of lifelong friends. With in-building garage parking, your vehicles are taken care of, pets are welcome, and there's a wash station for them too. When essential utilities are included, you'll forget all about bills. Turn the commute to the University of Alabama into quick cardio. It's just a stroll away. Even Samford University is a short drive away, so getting to campus is easy. Explore the city effortlessly when 2nd Avenue and 12th Street North and Railroad Park bus stops and Birmingham train station are all just a couple minutes away. So grab your spot at Lumen Above Railroad Park, Birmingham, now with amberstudent.com.